and we're, oh my god.
We're traversing construction.
There's so much.
And a quote repaired vehicle. Yeah, we're giving it a main void before we take it up to the city tomorrow, just to make sure that everything is holding. Tomorrow we'll be getting a different vehicle, so that'll be nice. Day 2 of driving the van. We're going to back up to the city. This is technically our last drive in it, so we're going to go trade it in.
So to speak. I don't know if you can see how hazy it is, but the air quality is shit again today.
Really bad. Canadian fires that apparently never end.
No, still.
It's our turn. It's been like it's like a oscillating fan across the Midwest and the East Coast. You know, you never know who's gonna get it. Today it's us. Yeah, you can barely even see that silo over there. It's so easy. Glad we have air conditioning today.
Oh yeah. Why can't any RVs drive by when I'm recording?
Right.
Let's see some RVs. As soon as I put this down, we'll see like 6 in a row or something. We have another new car. New to us. And apparently it's right outside. It is an Acura MDX. Look at it. Well, don't look at the license plate. I like it.
Don't say you love it yet. You haven't seen how it smells.
I can smell it from here.
I've got a sunroof open. It probably needs the AC charge, and it does have some suspension issues, but it's not a minivan.
It's not a minivan.
The van had no leaks today, by the way, when I dropped it off. They were still full.
Oh,
So stuff I put in.
that's good.
You've got brand new tires on it. I have just put a whole new brand new suspension in. It needs an alignment, it needs some stuff done yet, but
It is kind of a, what is this, a blue-gray sort of?
it's grayish, bluish.
Oh, blue-gray.
I like the color.
Hi, Bella. How's it smell in there?
It's bad. Like opened vanilla hair.
You baby. You hate it? And then putting the windows down, isn't that helpful since of the air quality right now?
Well, yeah, it's better than it was this morning.
It does seem better, yeah.
I have all the windows up and I just have the sunroof open. So it's dirty right now, obviously. We gotta clean it up. And
What's
clean
that?
It up. I don't know where they bought it from.
Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, here's our new to us Acura MDX. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep it or sell it, but here it is.
Here it is. I mean, I like it.
Yeah, I like it better than that.
I like it better than a van.
Well,
I like it better than...
the really funny part is it's exactly the same thing as the van underneath.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same thing. It's just, this is an SUV. And
It's higher off the
a
ground.
little higher off the ground. And I don't know if this is all-wheel drive. I think it's all-wheel drive. Yeah.
This windshield was absolutely filthy, so Steven's just trying to scrub a little bit of the filth off with a filthy scrubber and squeegee. But putting all, there's like gobs of dirt right there. Puts this on here and suddenly the wipers go and we're like, what? See, look, there they go. Look, I didn't do anything. There's a rain sensor. I've never had one. There they go. Sensing imaginary rain. You want to see something gross? That